The requirement of a regulatory business plan. Welcome to today's informative session where we'll delve into the intricate world of regulatory business plans, RBPs, in the financial services sector. If you are navigating the complex FCA authorization process, this video is tailored for you. This is the first of 20 videos in the series of Mastering the Art of FCA Regulatory Business Plans. If you want to be informed of new material as it is posted, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring our bell. The importance of a regulatory business plan. An RBP isn't just a document, it's a robust framework that streamlines your application with the Financial Conduct Authority, or the FCA. It serves as a comprehensive manuscript designed to encapsulate most of the requisite data needed for a successful application process. Essentially, it acts as the linchpin for your application dossier. What should be included? Your RBP should be a compendium of important sections like a program of operations, business plan, structural organization, and governance, among others. It is crucial to mirror your RBP's architecture to that of the FCA's own application template. Also, be savvy and embed cross-references for a streamlined evaluation process by the FCA. Asterisk at this point, don't forget to click the subscribe button below to stay updated on all things financial compliance. Asterisk. Strategic choice between RBP and separate documents. Some regulators might prefer separate documents, but the synergy of a well-crafted RBP is unparalleled. Why? Because compiling all requisite data in a centralized document greatly facilitates both preparation and review phases. Not to mention, it aligns well with FCA's preference for an efficient assessment process. Level of detail and IT elements. While it's pivotal to be thorough, remember to elucidate all vital aspects of the business without overcomplicating matters. IT elements are not to be overlooked. In our digital era, they constitute a significant portion of the application effort and content. The iterative process of RBP creation. Creating an RBP isn't a one-off task. It's an iterative process requiring involvement from all quarters of the business. Right from your senior managers to your board members, everyone should be part of this quintessential exercise. Additionally, the RBP will force some critical evaluation of various facets of your business model. Conclusion. In summary, a meticulously constructed regulatory business plan is not just a requirement but a strategic asset in accelerating your FCA authorization process. Remember, every statement in the RBP should be substantiated and be prepared to present supporting evidence when required. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Remember, a regulatory business plan isn't just a necessity, it's your blueprint for success in financial compliance. Asterisk disclaimer, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Always consult professionals for your specific needs. Asterisk. At Compliance Consultant, we know and appreciate the need for good governance, best practice adoption, and delivering coherent strategies for our clients in the complex and fluid world of financial regulation. Working with financial services companies, helping to manage their compliance and other risks so they can control their exposure, train their staff, implement regulatory change, and execute their strategy. This then allows them to concentrate on their core business, become stronger through better governance, greater efficiency, and increasing profitability. We have been in business since 2000 and are a small, but perfectly formed niche consultancy. We cover all areas of financial services from stockbrokers to banks, pawnbrokers to mortgage advisors. Just ask us first, and save money on your compliance support. Speak soon.